mansions.
Oh, I like that. Can you go to that pocket, baby?
Yeah, we can go there. Okay, let's make a left here. Let's get lost. Yeah, we'll go there.
Just go around.
We're gonna go around.
Old money here, no?
This is really old money. Tingnan nyo guys, walang ano dito, walang sidewalk.
Oh, that's like Korean plants.
Yeah. So this neighborhood is probably 40 years old. Lahat ng mga mayayaman dati dito nakatira and they still live here.
Oh my goodness.
So kung mga bahay dito, typically 40
that's like
plus years
Jeff's
old.
house.
Jeff's house, but then you're paying for the address, di ba? Ilang kaya mga Pilipino dito kumpara sa mga puti and everybody else? Usually pag pumapasok kami sa mga neighborhood na dito sa Mississauga Road, para napapagmalang kami, or at least ako yung naggugupit ng damo.
Hindi na uso yun, baby.
Uso yun because these people don't cut their own grass.
Yung mga balay mo yun ng business sila, taga-gupit ng damo.
No, these people don't cut their own grass, I guarantee you.
Look at that, it's like Korean style.
Ito, dito tayo sa loob dito. Cider Mill. See, tingnan nyo guys, ito, tingnan mo, meron siyang circular driveway, ang ganda oh. And, oh my God, look at this castle dito sa cul-de-sac na to.
Oh, there's three, pare-pares yung builder. Oh, ito, this one, Astafo.
This is a very old neighborhood, guys.
It's probably the same builder na maybe.
Yeah, very, very old neighborhood. So talagang kung mayaman ka na talaga, dito ka sa lugar na dito nakatira. And they never left.
Nahihilo naman yata sila sa pag-ano.
No, it's fine. Kung ako lang, I'll pick the smallest, cheapest house here in the most expensive neighborhood. Gusto ko to. Gustong-gusto ko yan. Because
pwede bang maganyan ng halaman sa Brantford?
Yeah,
can you get me that?
You can make that happen anywhere.
Yung halaman lang ang gusto ko. Go this pocket, the loft.
The loft. Ooh, the loft. Oh, this is another cul-de-sac, guys.
They have their own cul-de-sac, all of them.
They have their own little world here. Sarili nilang mundo.
It's not a cul-de-sac though.
Oh, I thought it was a cul-de-sac. Yun ang cul-de-sac dun sa
These are different.
Ang sarap siguro magtira dito. Alam nyo guys, iba yung simoy ng hangin dito eh. Yung karamihan ng bahay dito, titignan nyo parang pangkaraniwan lang sila because they're like 40, 30 years old, diba?
Mga tahimik na tao itong mga to.
Pero hindi yung bahay ang binabayaran mo dito eh. You're paying for the address.
They mind their own business.
They mind their own business.
Walang marites dito. They don't have time.
They don't have time.
Absolutely. Tayo lang nakikimarites.
Yung mga neighborhood na ganito guys, swerte ka kung makita mo yung neighbor mo once a month. If that. Because they're too busy making money, I guess.
Plus
wala silang oras para marites.
They don't tambay sa harap ng bahay nila.
No, yung tirahan namin ni Mrs. dati, our very first house sa Walnut Street. Ang daming tambay dun sa harapan. Sabi ng mami ko minsan, bumisita sa amin, ba't ganun? Ang dami nakatambay sa harapan ng bahay dito sa neighborhood nyo. Well, you know, ganun talaga eh. Hindi punta tayo sa kabila.
I like that, yung isang neighborhood.
Oh, by the way guys, atong street na to, this is, again, Mississauga Road. We're doctors, lawyers, entrepreneurs, billionaires. Right? No, I'm gonna go straight. Tignan nyo guys, walang sidewalk, okay? That's the sign of an exclusive neighborhood pag walang sidewalk. Itong mansion to the left.
You didn't see
this one right here. Oh my God.
They have a circular
Hindi ako nagbibiro guys kung sinabi ko sa inyo dati.
Oh, this one is so cute.
Oh, the White House.
Don't forget.
Look at the White House.
Can I see the...
Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo?
Hindi ko na alam kung sinong kukuhanan ko.
Lahat maganda.
Oh my gosh.
Di ba sabi ko sa inyo dati, kahit manalo ako ng lottery for $10 million, we still wouldn't be... Hindi kasya pera mo dito. Dahil yung mga property taxes nito, magkano watch? Like $30,000-$40,000 a year, if not more. Crazy, di ba?
Kabawal ka na dito pumunta, baby.
No, let's pretend we're the people that are cutting the grass. Katulad nito. You know, one can dream, di ba? Pwede naman mangarap eh. Libre naman yung
so,
pangarap.
Yung pangarap mong pedestal na ano meron silang.
Yeah. Gusto ko guys yung bahay na merong 2 posting ganun sa driveway.
Maybe nating mahihilo na yung manonood nito.
No, it's fine. Maaaliw sila sa kalalakihan ng bahay dito. Grande talaga, as in grande. So, isipin nyo guys, kung manalo ako ng $10 million sa lottery, right? Yung $10 million na yun, kapos pa pangbili ng bahay. Paano pa yung gugupit ng damo nyo? Paano pa yung kuryente, yung internet, yung property tax?
1820 Featherstone Drive.
Ito, mansion, no? Yung tipong makikita nyo lang sa mga movies, ganun, yung ginagamit nilang settings sa movies.
Yung dun sa gawi, dun, kumaliwa ka na daddy dyan. Let's go na. Just go inside that pocket, the other one.
Oh, the other pocket? Yeah. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, my brother works on Mississauga Road. Nasa University of Toronto, Mississauga campus siya. So, madalas dati, before he had a car, I would drive him to work, right? So, that's why I said dun sa vlog ko dati, I grew up driving up and down these streets. Because of that reason. Not because dito kami nakatira, we couldn't afford this. You never know. If I hit like triple lottery for $60 million, maybe, just to experience, diba? But yeah, this is where all the old money. A lot of these people is old money. Yeah, ito, kahit nasa along Mississauga Road ka, it's like, wow.
Which one is it? Is it this one?
It's this one, yeah. Let's go in this one. This is
this one, Daddy.
Ivy Gate.
I want this one here.
This is Ivy Gate Court. So, cul-de-sac na naman.
No,
Oh, may for sale, no?
1868. That's so nice.
Tingnan natin kung magkano itong for sale na to. By Hodgins. You know?
Probably in the 3s. Because I saw one for 3 point something dun sa... Holy smokes.
Oh, this is
a cul-de-sac.
Ganda ng driveway niya, tsaka yung garahe niya, kintab, oh. Kita mo yung reflection mo.
Heavy duty. Mga stonework nila is so beautiful, eh.
Yeah. Like I said again, tinan mo guys, walang sidewalk. Like no sidewalk whatsoever. Pag nanalo ko ng lottery,
so this one is 1857.
I'll rent this. I won't buy, but I'll rent it.
I like that. This one, 1857.
So guys, this is just a very, very, very small area.
Ivy Gate Court.
Sobrang haba na itong Mississauga Road na to. This is just a small area na pinakita ko sa inyo, di ba? But ito, may gate to. Tingnan mo, may gate to. Galing, no?
It's like yung mga magagandang bahay sa Korean show. Oh, this is the pocket that This is the pocket.
That's where we went last time.
Oh, we did, okay.
Yeah. So yun, I just wanted to show you guys dahil nasa neighborhood na kami. You know, libre naman yung mga harap, di ba?
Okay, so, let's go have lunch again.
Let's go have lunch again. Nakakagutom eh pag nandun ka sa magandang mayayaman eh.
No, ang galing ng feeling dun sa ano.
But see guys, ganito yan. Kami ni Mrs. Mahilig kaming tumingin-tingin. We like to get lost in nice neighborhoods because, everything starts with a vision. Pag nagumpisa sa vision yan, namamanifest yan eh. So many things in our lives, kaming dalawa, it started with a vision. And even at that point in time, parang imposible. 2, 3, 4, 5 years, go by. Next thing you know, kausap ko si Mrs. Hey, you know what? Remember that time? Umiikot-ikot tayo doon, nakita natin yun. Sabi natin, imposible. Pero yun, we have it now, nangyari, di ba? There's a way, there's a very happy way things seem to happen, seem to manifest when you manifest. Like things start happening for you and to you, diba? Like good things happen.
I want to eat seafood. Salty seafood.
Salty seafood. Dalas namin sa Mississauga ngayon. Si Mrs. medyo...
Can you see Lambo?
Lambo is our condo, by the way. It's over there behind those tall buildings. We'll say hi to Lambo later.
They always fix this road.
Yeah, every year, itong road na to, there's always construction. Ewan ko ba kung ano ginagawa nila dito.
Are we on Burnham Thorpe?
We're on Burnham. We are on Burnham Thorpe right now. So guys, nandito tayo sa plaza along Burnham Thorpe and Credit View. Dito tayo pupunta sa bakery. It's called Ako Bakery. I've been going here since before high school. bebenta sila ng mga barbecue pork bun, tuna bun, you know, Chinese bread, all of that good stuff. So pag nandito kami sa Mississauga, I make sure to come by here all the time dahil gusto ni Bunso yung mga tinda nila dito, tsaka tastes good, price is good. Okay. Barbecue pork. Excuse me. Just gonna grab something here real quick. Ayan. What else do you want? Did you check the other side? Do you want your cake? No? Okay.
This one is good. Maybe
right.
we can have another one of this.
There's 3.
No, Mia likes it too.
Sorry. I don't know. How many sugar do you want? Which one? This one? Excuse me. Just hold it. I won't have any room for the sugar.
Which marble?
Marble Spring. Yeah.
That one? Yes, yes. Okay, so we're now 30.25.
Debit, please.
Yeah, go ahead. That's for you first.
Hey, nawala si Mrs. Ayun! Ayun, ito guys, oh. This was $31 with like mga cake na binili ni Mrs. Ayun, ang dami, oh. Alam niyo guys, dati nung bata ako, ito baka magselos si Mrs. Merong there was a Chinese girl that I used to date. Yung parents niya may-ari niyan dati. So whenever I came, lahat 50% off. Remember? That's why I used to go there all the time. Wala na yun. May 10 anak na yun. That's why mula pa nung high school, I always went to this place dahil dati I used to get a 50% discount. Ngayon wala na. Ako rin, ingihina ako eh. Let's go. Guys, ngayon papunta kami sa Tim Hortons. It's across the street from this plaza. Para makikiihi lang kami dahil ingihing-ihi na ako. Yung pantog ko sasabog na. Ito problema sa akin pag naglo-long drive kami. Long drive pala. It's like long drive is 1 hour para sa akin, right? I'm constantly looking for bathrooms to go. Wait, I don't wanna. Remember, we're in Chinatown. People can't drive here. Gotta be careful. Baka mabangga tayo. Masarap ba?
Grabe, ang sarap.
Ooh, paborito ni Mrs. yan guys, yung sponge cake. Dati nung bata ako, binibili ng mami ko yan dahil pinapabaon sa amin sa eskwela. Yeah, nakakabulon, di ba? Yeah. Masarap ba yung kinakain mo? Well, pakana. Oh, masarap nga. So si Mrs. naghahanap ng seafood restaurant. Doon kami, gusto niyang mag-lunch sa seafood restaurant. Problema lang kasi, wala akong masyadong alam ng mga restaurant dahil yung mga restaurant ang pinupunta namin pare-pareho. By the way guys, yung Tim Hortons na yun, doon ako jijingle.
I want some like seafood
Seafood what?
boiled style.
Mahal naman yun eh. Kung si Mrs. masyadong mahal yung taste eh. But it's okay, paminsan-minsan lang. Hindi na ako makaisip ng diretso. Ako ihingi na. So, halika, punta tayo sa Tim Hortons, makiihi tayo. Guess what, guys? Nandito ulit ka sa Kanji Queen. This is the second time this week. Diba, binlog natin nung Sunday yata yun, nandito kami. And we're here again. Today is Friday, pero date night namin or date afternoon namin ni Mrs. to. Say hi, baby.
Oh, hey. Ito naman sinabi ng...
No, you look good. But nandito ulit tayo ngayon?
You need to filter.
Ano nangyari? Ba't nandito ulit tayo ngayon? Why are we here again?
Because you don't want to bring me to a seafood restaurant. I want to eat something yummy.
So sabi ni Mrs. gusto daw niya pumunta sa seafood restaurant, right?
Am I rolling?
So dito sa Mississauga, I checked it. And they have like yung Captain's Boil, mga ganun type of places. And sabi ko, oh, mahal-mahal dun. You know, baka yung bill natin abutin ng mga $200-300. You know what? Pumunta tayo dun sa pwesto na pamilyar tayo, di ba? So bumalik na lang kami dito sa Kanji Queen. And you know what? As usual, she ordered a crap load of stuff. Pero uuwi namin yan. Kasi uuwi namin yan. And I guarantee you it's gonna be way less kumpara if we went to like a Captain Boil, di ba? So, hinintay lang namin yung order namin. I'll show you what we got in a little bit, okay? So guys, kanina, sa booth na yon, sabi ko, pwede ba lipat kami dito sa mesa? Alam niyo kung bakit? Hindi ako makahinga dun sa booth eh. Dahil si Kuya Puto masyadong makapal, masyadong maskulado, masyadong mataba. Hindi kami magkasya. So, nandito kami ngayon, hinihintay namin yung order. Oh, dumating na pala yung congee. This is duck chicken with century egg. And yung ano namin, yung Chinese donut na dinidip namin dito. Hindi ko napapakita sa inyo kung paano kami kumain because I showed that last Sunday, right? But I will show pag dumating na yung mga in-order ni Mrs.
To go.
To go. By the way, guys, hindi kami...
This one has the chili and yung red... anong tawag doon sa suka na...
Red na suka?
No, I forgot what it's called.
Vinegar.
No, it's called something.
I don't know what it is.
When you go to New York Fries, they call it like something.
Pasensya na all kay Mrs. Medyo litang yan eh. But when I show you yung order namin, sana naman huwag niyo sabihin na timawa kami. Konti lang. Konting katimawaan lang. We are gonna take most of this home and it will be ulam namin for 2 or 3 days, okay? So hintayin muna natin yung order. While we're doing that, kakain muna kami ng... Yun, sarap eh. My Chinese wife.
Paputi naman ang itsura ko dyan.
Sige guys, kakainin ko muna itong congee ko while we're waiting for the other stuff, okay? So guys, huwag niyo kaming i-judge, okay? Di kami timawa. Si Mrs. lang talaga mahilig, she likes to eat with her eyes, right? So dumating na lahat ng order namin. It's her birthday today. It's her birthday every day, sabi niya. So ito yung mga in-order namin, dumating na lahat. So let's start with, anong klaseng shrimp to, Watch?
Garlic butter.
Garlic butter shrimp? Okay. Gusto ni Mrs. yan, paborito niya. Ito is, paborito niya lahat yan.
Shell.
What is that?
Soft shell crab fried rice.
So soft shell crab fried rice with extra soft shell crab.
Leah likes it too.
No. You like it, that's why you ordered it. Ito order ko to. This is a salt and pepper squid. This is a staple. Lagi kong in-order yan. Pati yung sa last vlog namin, in-order ko rin yan. And nakita nyo na yung duck and chicken with salted egg congee.
Century egg. Century
egg. Ano naman to? This is a tofu dish. Merong isda doon sa... Anong klaseng isda?
Garupa.
Garupa and tofu. Tapos,
this one is the ifu noodles.
The lobster ifu noodles na paborito ni Mrs. Yun. So lahat-lahat ito.
Not only that, hindi sasama yung order mo dito kasi just compare it to going to the keg. This is probably one item sa the keg or one each.
Every time we go to the keg, it's $500.
So this one is comparable, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dishes and you can take it home.
So guys, di namin uubusin dito sa restaurant to. Hindi naman ganun kami kasama. Okay? Karamihan nito, I'd say about 70% of it, uuwi namin. It's gonna be our food for the next 2 or 3 days, right? So sinasabi ni Mrs., kaya madalas kami dito, you get so much value. Dahil kung pupunta kami sa puti na restaurant, sa Canadian na restaurant, yung bill baka doble or triple.
Daddy, look at the soft shell crab.
That's right. Like I was saying, yung bill namin baka doble, triple, tapos there's not much value, you know? Pag binayaran mo yung bill, parang, oh my God, sayang. Ito, ang dami naming uuwi sa bahay. Di ba? Ano? Nabulunan siya. Ano sabi mo?
Soft shell crab fried rice.
Paborito ni Mrs. yan, with extra soft shell. Sige guys, I'm not gonna bore you with showing you how we eat it. Pinakita ko na sa inyo yun nung Sunday, di ba? Kakain muna kami and then baka mamaya punta kami square one dahil gusto niya ng, si Mrs. gusto niya ng ano, ng beef patty. So and doon lang namin nabibili yun eh.
Garupa.
Ano?
Not me, the food.
What?
Tofu with garupa.
So isda yung ilalim yan.
This is the fish.
Yan yung isda.
So it's very meaty siya.
So parang siyang may tausi, di ba? Parang ganun ang luto niya.
Yung tofu.
Yun. Sige guys, kain muna kami. See you in a bit. Ayun! We are on our way to square one. Nilalakad namin dati ni Bonsu to. Itong plazang yan. Nagbo-workout ako dyan. And then we would go shopping dyan sa Oceans. And then we would walk all the way to the condominium.
How long is the walk?
25 minutes. From here to the condominium over there, it's 25 minutes. Summer.
Winter, right?
No, we don't walk in the winter.
Tupid din kayo.
Nung dito nakatira sila Mrs. dati, libot na libot si bunso namin. I think she was, what, like 10 or 11 back then. Ayaw, hindi mo makip sa loob ng bahay. Gusto laging lumilibot. So that's our condo right there. That's Lambo. We would walk from there all the way to that plaza dun sa likod. Nasaan si CN Tower?
The tip of CN Tower.
Ang liit naman ni CN Tower.
You missed it.
CN Tower is a dot. It's like that way.
So they've been doing this bridge forever.
Yeah. Yung condominium na yun, nakalagay exchange. Nung nandito kami 2 years, 3 years ago, wala pa yan. That was just a hole in the ground. Ngayon, halos designer condominiums, halos tapos na sila. Tandaan ko, meron nagbebenta sa amin dati. It was $1,800 a square foot. Oh my God. Ang mahal nun, as in ang mahal.
It is now.
It's probably under $1,000 a square foot now.
Because these ones are like what, 700?
Yeah.
Or 400?
I can't remember. Dahil nagbagsakan sila, especially now, right? Sipin nyo, $1,800 a square foot, guys. So typical average ng one bedroom size is about 500 to 600 square feet times $1,800 per square foot. Ganun kamahal. And then ngayon, 2025, nagbagsakan ng presyo ng mga condo. So I'm pretty sure ang dami nagbebentahan ngayon dyan under 1,000 square foot and walang bumibili. Hi Lambo. That's Lambo. Hi.
They said ang mga condo is like almost 30% down, di ba?
No, more. Dahil like kalatang at minimum, yeah.
And it's still they're still going down.
So unfortunately, if you bought at the peak, nung mga assignments, not assignment sale, yung pre-construction.
20.
Ay nako. Sakit ng ulo ngayon yan.
No, those who bought for pre-con like 5 years ago, they're okay. Like wala pang di pa na-start ng groundbreaking, that's okay. But if they bought sometime like end of 21, 22,
kung bumili sila ng pre-construction ng 2022, 23, maybe even 21, right?
And then 2022, the whole of 2022, that's gonna hurt.
Ngayon sila nagkakasakitan ng ulo because karamihan ng tao na bumili nun, they had no intentions of living there. Usually it's like an investment opportunity para sa kanila, di ba? And now, oh my God, they can't close on it. A lot of people can't close on it. And they're losing so much money. Like all the down payment na binigay nila, ubos.
I think the most I've seen, they just washed their hands was $300,000.
So guys, hugas kamay. Ibig sabihin, yung down payment structure na binigay nila, nag-total 300,000. Deposit, sorry. Tapos, you know, they just had to go turn their back and walk away and lose the $300,000. Plus, a potential for getting sued.
Lawsuit, yeah.
For a lawsuit. Ang sakit ng ulo nun, isipin nyo. Ito na guys, nasa loob na tayo ng Square One Food District. Kailangan kong bumili ng snack ni Mrs. Mahilig siya dito, din sa beef patty. Ay naku, sobrang sarap. How much are we buying? Huh?
1.5 lang.
1.5 dozen?
Yeah, 1 dozen from the fridge and then 2 dozens na. Hindi na tayo.
Okay. My friend, can I get 2 dozen? You just come out of the oven? Okay.
Did you see their bread?
Where? It's okay. Is this my receipt, boss?
No.
Yeah. Thank you very much, brother. Can I grab some of those the paper thing? Yes, yes. Thank you very much. I see you again. Thank you. Thank you. Food court. Walang tao ngayon. That's good.
Step down.
Bye. So guys, ito ina-exercise ang aming kinain namin dun sa Chinese restaurant. And bigat na nitong hawak-hawak ko eh. We're just gonna go check out the bay dahil nababankrupt na sila ngayon eh. So the store is closing. Sabi 25 to like 80% off. Tingnan natin kung ano meron sila doon. Baka meron makitang maganda, di ba? Let's go! So nandito tayo ngayon sa bay. They're going out of business. 25 to 75% off daw. Ooh, it's almost empty. Liquidation sale, guys, oh. Delikado kay Mrs. to. Sana naman hindi magwala at ang babaeng to dito. So as you can see guys, 50 to 75% off, pero mahal siya. So yung itong mga bag na to, tingnan nyo. So this 9 West bag is magkano? $145. So 50% off. Yan. Is it worth it? Nasa saan yan? Sige guys, makauwi na bago madisgrasya ni Mrs. yung pitaka ko. Thanks for joining us on this video. You know, libot-libot, kain-kain. See you guys on the next one. Bye!